On this episode of Insider's Look, there's 17 greens in here. The overall design style of the home comes into focus.
It's Hilton Head Island. Isn't the style kind of obvious?
And while we know what we want to do, we don't want to go overboard. I don't necessarily think all the art in here has to be like fish. Like, we get it. There's the coast. I'm sharing with you what really goes into bringing the design of the HGTV Dream Home 2020 from a sketch to a reality. Our main goal for today is to figure out how to weave the overall coastal style throughout the house without it looking kitschy or cliche. And for me, that's got to start with the paint colors that are going to be used throughout the home.
We're going with the Simply Blissful color collection from HGTV Home by Sherwin-Williams.
These colors, have you looked at them? They're awesome.
Yeah.
It's like calming and relaxing. Overall, so comforting. There's bold and bright, everything in between.
Absolutely, and there's that coastal vibe that you're looking for.
And what I love about it is it has a lot of the tropical tones that I wanted to go with, but also mashes up with more of the earth tones. So we'll have the greens that you find around the island, but also the gray browns you find in the live oaks, and then just like classic coastal blues. And then I love the idea of this. Romance is the color of the year. So I definitely want to use this in a heavy hitting room.
What are your thoughts upstairs with the bookend guest bedrooms?
One of them, I definitely want to be tropical inspired.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
how could I not use a tropical palm print in this house? So I thought if I have these super intense tropical greens in the fabric, I could also bring a little bit more tropical green to the walls and ceiling.
What about the other guest bedroom?
The other guest bedroom, I think we definitely go straight up beachy. This color is called Mint to Be. It's a cross between Robin's Egg Blue and Seafoam. And to me, that's like straight up coastal.
I love it. I love the idea of one room being kind of beachy, like maybe a little bit of coral.
And a lot of white. And I also think we bring something that is natural and has a coastal shape above the bed.
Nice.
But not like fishnets. I've been going over all the images that I took during our site visit for the sake of us choosing all of our materials and colors to give it that like straight up beachy look. Do you remember when we went to fish camp and there was the fire pit outside that was covered in tabby?
Yes.
I love the idea of just finding the materials that I see there on Hilton Head Island, right?
Yeah.
Because then you'll have texture the minute you walk in that room. Another thing I think I mentioned was doing a custom piece of art for above the fireplace in the living room. Mm-hmm. Did you get anywhere with that?
Yeah, I actually reached out to Kyle, one of our fabricators, and he thinks he can make us this amazing pattern, CNC cut from a single piece of wood. White oak, so it'll be a little bit aged and beautiful.
All organic materials?
Yes.
Fish scales blown up like 200%. Almost 5 feet tall.
I love it, it's so
That's
big.
Perfect. I kind of feel like Kyle reached inside my brain and pulled out something that I couldn't articulate and made it happen. I gotta admit, I'm feeling pretty good about these big coastal moments. This is coastal.
This is spectacular.
All this texture right here, like, I know that tabby could go one way or the other. It could be like a lot, but I think because we went with the small ones, it worked out perfectly. And then also we have the coastal floor. So it just looks like whitewashed beach wood.
So beautiful.
Everything that we had in mind is just like shaping up even better than I had hoped. I'm feeling so great about the common spaces. And now I get a first look at the newly painted master bathroom.
What do you think?
I love it. I've never done a pink bathroom before.
Yeah.
This pink has enough white in it where it's kind of like a neutral.
Yeah.
Even though it's pink, I do think it's subtle. Upstairs, the colors I've chosen are a little less so. This is probably the most coastal color. This won't be the most coastal room.
Okay.
But this is definitely the most straight up coastal color. I love this color. Now, this is going to be the most tropical section of the entire house.
I love it already.
Don't you love the color?
Yeah.
It just makes me think of a palm tree.
And there they are, right outside the window.
This is the room that's gonna end up getting the palm print bed. Plus I've got the really bold green going on the walls. So it is a lot. There's a lot happening in here, but I think when all is said and done, it's gonna be beautiful. It's load-in day, which means everything my team and I have spent months ordering shows up, and now it's time to put all of it in place.
The scale of that fits this bathroom more. I think this might be a nice texture play. I was gonna do pink Turkish towels, but it might—
Overkill.
Right?
In the master bathroom, the soft shade of pink on the walls and ceiling is a great backdrop for the glossy white freestanding tub and the spa-like shower. The champagne bronze fixtures in here really give it an elegant feel.
This is the fourth way we've tried this bed. We need the white to tone down the palm green.
In the tropical bedroom, I knew that the palm print bed and the green on the walls and ceiling were gonna look amazing together. But now there needs to be something a little more subtle to keep it all balanced.
There's 17 greens in here. Yet it all works because I know what I'm doing. Thanks.
This bedroom turned out great. The upholstered palm print bed really anchors the space here, and it gives it a real island, kind of like vacation vibe. All the white on the bedding, the end tables, and the lighting, those all just balance everything out perfectly. In the other guest bedroom, we went way more beachy. So it's got a very classic blue and white color scheme, and most of the accessories really bring in all of that like nautical charm.
Actually, I think these are meant as like table settings, but who cares? Anything can be art. That looks really good.
Those are cool.
In this bedroom, I relied more on texture to get that calm coastal feeling across. I really like the fact that we had enough space to include a seating area in here as well. And the navy touches really add the perfect amount of contrast. I've been so focused on finishing our guest bedrooms that I completely forgot about our custom piece of art.
I am very happy to see you.
Yeah, thanks. Good to see you.
You're basically the last layer and the house is gonna be done.
That is sick. Where are you planning on putting this?
This one is for above the fireplace.
This art really helped us style the open shelving on either side of the fireplace with a mix of beach photography, gorgeous maps from the area, and other wood touches. It's really the perfect focal point here. From the palm prints to the touches of sea life to the original artwork and the tropical tones, we found fresh ways to bring coastal design into the house. Want to see more of my design come together? Head to hgtv.com/HGTV Dream Home.